If you have been tasked to compare two columns, basically there's two routes that you can take. Let's say you have this data set here. You are asked to compare the total sales column, which is column B, against column C and try to find out where the differences are. It's hard to see, especially when the numbers are all so large. The first way to do is to use a go to special, highlight the dataset table like this, the column in particular that you're comparing. Mine is going to be column B and C. And then without the header, of course, and then you're going to press Ctrl G to open up go to special window here. In here, you're going to select special, and when this pop-up comes up, you're going to select row differences like this, and then you're going to click on OK. What this is going to do is going to highlight all the cell that is difference with whatever is on your left hand side, which is your column B here. And to make it more visible, what you're going to do is you're going to go to Home, Font, and basically highlight the cell with the color of your choice like this. Now it becomes a bit more obvious to see where the differences are. You can see this is different. Well, this is the same, and there's a difference in number in this. So that's one way to do it, using go to special. Another way is to use a formula. So basically you say if equal if open parentheses, you're going to compare this cell not equal to this cell. If they are not equal, you're going to say, you're going to print the word diff, D-I-F-F, like this. And if it's the same, well, we can either leave it blank or you can type the word same like this. But for now, to make things simple and obvious, I'm gonna leave it blank. You'll see what I mean by that. Once that's done, you hit enter. The first cell, of course, they're the same. It's gonna show as blank. I'm gonna apply the same if statement to the rest of the row like this, and you can see it becomes obvious that these are the differences, and whatever is blank, they are exactly the same. So with this, what you can do is you can press Ctrl Shift L to open filter, and essentially filter based on difference, and you can actually see all the differences that way. Between these two methods, which one would you use and why? Please leave a comment in the description below.